Guys, I'm here with Cody, his wife Melissa, and his son Scout. Cody, how you doing? Congratulations. If you watched the video last night, we called him. I'm really grateful that a young local guy who really can use this thing, instead of an old guy like me, that may not have as much riding skills left as a young buck here. So Cody actually races and does some J-Day and Netra events off-road. So he has a Gasgas 125 already, right?
Yep.
A 2000? 23. So he's got the 23 Gasgas 125, and now he's got the new 450. We're going to be going to the Canning Speed Establishment School at Southwick. Pick a class you want to go to. Any class, just text me. I'll meet you there. You got a full sponsorship to the school and a full sponsorship to the Penguin Road Racing School. And we're also including the Supermotor wheels and tires, a Kaplan Cycles team race kit like mine over here. It's going to look kind of like this, except like the Kaplan Cycles race team logos, but it'll have your race number on it, so you can take this factory kit. This factory kit right here, what's this retail for, Junior?
$1,300.
It's $1,300 for this kit. Yeah. So we're gonna suggest you take this off, put it in a box, and I'll give you a free Kaplan Cycles team kit. And if you're around next weekend at Southwick, we're doing the Northeast Regional Vet Championship. Hope to see you guys up there. We're sponsoring Neville Bradshaw all the way. We're flying him over from the UK. He's got a brand new 2024 Gasgas 250 with factory connection suspension. And it's gonna be a great weekend. So if you want to come to that, we'll see you there. And I know with a young family, it's expensive racing, so hopefully this is a nice step up for you, you know?
Definitely,
Yeah.
for sure.
He's like the big scary guy. Oh man, he
Junior
wants to be
started
dead.
riding when he was like 4. So are you gonna have him on a little electric bike pretty soon?
He's got a 21 KTM 50 Mini right now.
He's already got a mini for him. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Do you ride also? Listen?
No.
Do you like going to the
I
races?
watch, yeah.
Cool.
We like to watch, but it's fun.
Does he like going to the races too?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Loves it.
anything with 2 wheels.
That's
Mountain
awesome.
bikes or things.
So you got a riding buddy already too.
Yeah.
Loves 2 wheels. Nathan goes it.
Well, we wish you the best of luck, and everybody who participated in the raffle, thank you. All the proceeds go to support the New England Motorcycle Museum, largest motorcycle museum in New England. And it's great to be able to be here on a Saturday and give a bike to a young family like these guys, and hopefully see you at the races. So wish you the best of luck.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thanks for watching, and God bless America.